Problems on 1 1 on 2. So verify 1 1 on 2 on the given problem. First problem, f a to b defined on f of x equal to mod x, where a equal to x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, that is equal to b. So verify 1 1 on 2 on this problem, where domain and codomain equal to minus 1 to plus 1. So first I am taking f of x is equal to mod x. So I am explaining this problem by graphical method. It is very important here. You know how to draw the graph of this function. So you draw the graph of this function on the domain minus 1 to plus 1. First to take the values of the domain values. So take here minus 1, 0, plus 1. Put x equal minus 1, we get here plus 1 only. That is I am taking. Put x equal minus 1, that is 1. Here x equal 0, 0. X equal 1 means take 1. So draw the graph of, this is the graph of given function mod x in the domain minus 1 to plus 1. Draw any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. Clearly this line is intersecting the graph more than one point. Draw any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. Clearly it is intersecting more than one point. So the function f of x equal mod x is not 1 1. And also you observe maximum value is 1, minimum value is 0. That is range is equal to 0 to 1. It is not equal to codomain. If the range is not equal to codomain, clearly it is not onto. I am writing here also. That is number 1. F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1 because the line parallel to x-axis intersect the graph more than one point. Number 2. F is not onto because range of the graph is equal to 0 to 1, right here 0 to 1. It is not equal to codomain. It is not equal to codomain. That's why it is not onto.
3.
So example 2. Same function you take f a to be defined on f of x equal to x mod x. On the domain minus 1 to plus 1, it is also equal to codomain. I am also explaining by graphical method. Take f of x is equal to x mod x. This is also equal to x cube where x greater than or equal to 0 minus x cube where x less than 0. Now draw the graph. X-axis. Take the domain values minus 1 to plus 1. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. Replace minus 1. X equal minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1, that is minus 1. Take here this is clearly minus 1. X equal 0 means 0. X equal 1 means 1. Take here 1. Here clearly x cube is curve. That means draw the graph. Draw the graph here. This is the graph of the given function. This is the graph of the given function. Draw any line parallel to x-axis on the graph. So the line intersecting the graph at only one point, it is 1 1 according to definition of the 1 1 function. And also you observe this maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. So range of the function is minus 1 to plus 1. It is equal to codomain. So it is also onto. So that's why right here, that is number 1. F is 1 1. Since the line parallel to x-axis in the graph at only one point. Number 2. Here f is onto because range is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. It is equal to codomain. So example 3. F a to be defined on f of x equals step x. In the domain minus 1 to plus 1, it is also equal to codomain. Same domain, codomain taken. So now draw the graph of step x. So f of x is equal to step x. I am taking, and it is also equal to, we can, when we replace domain values in the step x, outcome values are always integers. That means here this is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. If x equal to 1, step of 1 equal to 1. Suppose it is equal to 0 when x belongs to 0 to 1, here open interval, close interval. Next to minus 1, here x belongs to minus 1 to 0, here open interval, close interval. Take these values in the graph. That means I am taking here, this is minus 1, 0, 1. Take here 1. X equal to 1 means 1. Take here, this is 1, this is minus 1. So x equal 1 means 1. This is the graph. So x belongs to 0 to 1, here 1 not included. That's why take here whole. Take whole. X belongs to 0 to 1, then step of x equal 0. This is the graph. It is the straight line. And also x belongs to minus 1 to 0. Here 0 not included. So that's why take here whole. That's why equal to minus 1. This is the straight line. This is the graph. So now you observe this. When you take any line parallel to x-axis on the graph, this line is parallel to x-axis. When you take line parallel to x-axis on this graph, here so many points exist. That's why the line parallel to x-axis intersect the graph more than one point. It is clearly not 1, 1. And also you observe this, in the range outcome values are 1, 0, minus 1. That is not equal to codomain. That's why this function is not onto. So it is not 1, 1, not onto. I am writing here. That is. So f is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1. Because the line parallel to x-axis on the graph intersect more than one point. So that's why it is not 1, 1. Number 2. Here f is not onto. Not onto. Because range is equal to minus 1, 0, 1. So it is not equal to codomain. It is not equal to codomain. So clearly it is not onto. So example 4. F a to be defined on f of x equal to sin pi x, where domain equal to minus 1 to plus 1. It is equal to codomain. Again I am taking graph of this function. That is f of x is equal to sin pi x. Take the graph, x-axis 0. So domain values are what? Here take minus 1, 0, plus 1. Between minus 1 to 0 take minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. And when we replace minus 1, that is 0, sin minus pi will be 0. Sin minus pi by 2 will be minus 1, sin 0, 0, sin pi by 2 will be 1, sin pi will be. So that's why here we are getting in the outcome values minus 1 and plus 1. So here sin minus pi 0, sin minus pi by 2, that is minus 1, sin 0, 0, sin 1 by 2, that is 1, sin pi. So draw the graph. This is the graph of sin pi x between minus 1 to plus 1. Take any line parallel to x-axis. Clearly the line intersecting the graph more than one point. So that's why it is not 1, 1 function. And also you observe range. Maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. So range is minus 1 to plus 1. It is equal to codomain. So that's why it is onto. So here write f is not 1, 1. Because the line parallel to x-axis intersecting the graph at 2 points. So it is not 1, 1. So number 2. So f is onto, because range is equal to -1 to +1, it is equal to codomain. It is equal to codomain. So example 5, f a to b defined on f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3, where domain equal to r minus 3 and codomain equal to r minus 1. Codomain equal to r minus 1, domain equal to r minus 3. So verify this function for 1, 1 on 2. Suppose I am taking first verify 1, 1 for the given function. That is f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. I am taking different, I am not taking a graph, taking different method. So many methods eligible for the verifying 1, 1 on 2. That's why I am taking one of the method in this. F of x equal to this. This is x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3. Add and subtract 1. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by x minus 3. Because x minus 3 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 3. That is, find out f dash x. Find out f dash x. One derivative is 0 first. And 1 by x minus 3 derivative minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square. This is always negative because the denominator is positive into negative, total negative. That implies f dash x is less than 0. That means f of x is strictly decreasing function. F dash x less than 0 means f of x is strictly decreasing function. That implies f of x is 1, 1. Note, I am writing here, if f of x is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, then it is 1, 1. It is 1, 1. Verify onto. That is f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. So I am not taking graph of the function. I will explain this in the different method. So here first take inverse of f, that is y is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. That implies x into y minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. That implies xy minus x is equal to 3y minus 2. That implies x into y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. From this, x is equal to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. Here you replace f inverse y is equal to 3y minus y minus 1. So x equal to f inverse, that is also equal to f inverse x is equal to 3x minus 2 by x minus 1. So now range of f of x is equal to domain of f inverse x. Range of f of x equal to domain of f inverse x. This is equal to, what is the domain of f inverse x? Clearly f inverse x not defined at x equal to 1. So that's why r minus 1. This is equal to codomain. This is equal to codomain of f. So f is onto. Clearly f is 1 1 and on 2.